Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the best categories for your Amazon KDP books. And we're also going to cover how to use the KDP category finder. So selecting the correct book categories is the key to maximizing your success on Amazon KDP. In this video, I'm going to dive into the valuable tool that can help you to uncover the best categories to use for your KDP books, whether they are low content, whether they are medium or high content. And using this tool will enhance the visibility of your book and ultimately drive more sales. So whether you are new to self-publishing or you are an author looking to refine and change around your strategies, this video is for you. Why does Amazon KDP categories matter? What do they do? So before I dive into the tool that will change your KDP journey, let's understand why categories are crucial for your book's success on Amazon. There's two primary reasons why selecting the right categories can make a huge impact. First of all, enhanced ranking. Amazon's algorithm uses category data. It uses that category data to better understand your book's nature, and this understanding directly influences your book's ranking on Amazon. The higher order means that your book will likely be visible to your customers. The second reason why selecting the correct category will make a huge impact is targeted exposure. The customers on Amazon, they often browse categories in order to discover new books rather than searching for specific keywords. So if your book, for example, is listed in the relevant categories, especially in the top 100, the customers are looking for books in that genre. They're likely to come across your work, click on the book, especially if the cover is really good as well. So how can you use this tool, this free KDP category finder? The tool we're talking about is KDP category finder. This is an amazing tool that streamlines and identifies and selects the most suitable book category for your book. And we're going to talk about how to use this. So step one is accessing the tool. First of all, I want you to click on the link in the description box below this video where you will find the tool for the free Amazon KDP extension that way, and then you'll be able to access that. The second step is to select the country and the format. So begin by choosing the country that you're targeting and indicate whether your book is available in the paperback or in the Kindle format. Step 3 is keyword research. So now comes the exciting part that we're all waiting for. Keyword that will determine the results. So into the keywords that describe your book. You're publishing a journal, type journal. Into the search bar, if you're publishing a workbook, same thing applies. Prompt journal, therefore just enter that. Step 4 is to browse the relevant categories. Now this tool will display a category list containing your entered keyword. Scroll through, identify the types that best align with your book's content. And step 5 is always choosing wisely. Choose wisely. So once you've found the categories that resonate with your book, select up to 10 that will drive the most value and exposure. And step 6 is to notify Amazon KDP. So just simply email Amazon KDP with your selected category strings. Include your book's ISBN, the marketplace, the book's format, the chosen category. Amazon KDP then will update your book's listing within a day or two. So what are the benefits of using this lovely free tool that we have right here? First of all, efficiency. So now it's time to say goodbye to time-consuming searches looking for the right correct categories. The tool basically saves time. It provides a quick and easy solution and allows you to focus on what matters most, which is creating quality content, interiors, as well as covers for your book. The second benefit is visibility. So by selecting the most relevant category and identifying it through this tool, what happens is you increase the likelihood of your book being discovered by the readers, who are actively always browsing through those categories. And some readers, specifically some customers, come in through Amazon and they look through that category. They don't search in the search bar, they just search by category, especially if they're looking for, specific types of books, and, they're mostly interested in a specific category. They want to always be updated on what kind of books are in there, what kind of, what is the newest books that are being uploaded that way. The third benefit is increased sales. So the improved visibility and the enhanced ranking resulting from accurate category selection can actually boost sales. So Amazon KDP presents an incredible opportunity for authors and self-publishers like you and me to share their creations. And remember that success on KDP does require dedication. It requires consistency in learning and in applying what you learn and utilizing valuable tools like the tool that we talked about, which is the KDP Category Finder. And you will find the link to that tool in the description box below. It's also available on the Self-Publishing Titans website. So also, I will have included a link to a video where I've talked about an updated list of profitable Amazon KDP keywords, and I've recently published that on the channel. You can access it in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.